do not watch Spider-Man Brand New Day sa ScreenX. So, yesterday, 2 beses kong pinanood yung Spider-Man Brand New Day. Isa sa ScreenX and isa sa regular. Bakit? That's for a different video. E di eto na. So, yung ScreenX, by the way, is 2D lang naman siya. Meron lang siyang extra screen sa magkabilang sides. So, that's the ScreenX. So, this one. Tapos isang buong wall na yan. So, ayan. I believe this is pang-apat pa lang na ScreenX movies sa Philippines. Now, kung hindi mo pa na-experience yung ScreenX and you wanna try it, then go ahead. E di eto na. First, sayon, SM Mall of Asia pala ang merong ScreenX sa Pilipinas. So, kung malayo ka or nakatira ka sa malayong lugar, like Rizal, Bulacan, Malabon, I don't know, QC, that's extra traveling time for you. Siguro extra pagod and syempre, pamasahe. In my case, from where I live, papunta sa MOA is 1,200, especially umulan kahapon. And then pabalik is 1,000 pesos. So, dun pa lang, naka 2,200 na ako. Tapos, eto pa, syempre, the ticket price. For 2 tickets, me and Cryptita, I paid 1,400 for ScreenX. And for the regular 2D, it's just 780. That is almost double. Ang tanong, sulit ba? E di eto na nga. So, when you're watching the ScreenX, actually, kahit hindi ka manood ng pangalawa, meron ding or marami ding scenes na wala ring ScreenX eh. You'll eventually realize that these are not necessary. Yes, okay, I mean, it's a new experience, pero it's unnecessary for me. Also, remember, most of the cinemas are not in ScreenX. So, all of the important details or elements sa movie na to is nandito lang talaga. Okay? Yes, you can watch from time to time, tingin sa gilid. You might miss out pa important scenes just looking at that. And siguro if you're sitting sa pinakadulo at center, mas ma-appreciate mo siguro yung ScreenX. Pero what are the odds of you getting that spot? Diba? Now, lastly, kung itatry mong panoorin i-maximize or i-utilize yung dalawang sides, sulitin mo, no, na may ScreenX ka, mapapagod yung mata mo. I believe kahit saan ka lang pwesto. Now, the movie, it's good, or should I say it's great. I believe Tom Holland's Spider-Man just entered the GOAT conversation. Yun lang. Yun lang yung masasabi ko doon. No spoilers. Also, you will love yourself more because of this movie. Go watch it.